Hey guys, today we're gonna make a strawberry cheesecake. Basically, it's a poor man cheesecake. It's whatever you got. The only thing you have to have is cream cheese and either a tub of Cool Whip or heavy whipping cream, which I didn't take out. which I forgot to take out. There you go. This just is so much richer, and it just makes it taste so homemade. But, if you're in a pinch and you got Cool Whip, it works too. Alright, first you'll need vanilla extract. This one is homemade. I did this probably about a year ago. And if you want to know how to do that, I can absolutely show you how to do that. It's really simple. But for right now, we're just going to get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is open your cheesecake. And you're going to need 2 8-ounce blocks. Which nowadays is getting harder and harder and harder to open. We used to just pull those things apart. Now it's an act of Congress. But there you go. That's one. Here's 2. See if I can do a better job here. Yep, there we go. Now, not so bad. Alright, we're just going to drop that in there. And we're going to put half a cup of sugar. And any kind, if you wanted to lower the sugar content, just use a half a cup of Splenda. It works too. And any kind of sugar. I use the Zolka sugar, because it's unbleached. I just prefer the flavor, and so that's what I use. All right, and then we're going to use a whole cup of whipping cream. We're just going to put it right on in there. And we're going to put about a teaspoon vanilla extract, and then we're going to use a regular, just to kind of get that down in there before I put my mixer, because basically I don't want to mess. Which I'm going to get anyway. That might not have been as good an idea as I thought it was. There we go. Mixed enough. We're gonna just mix that. And you do want to get this smooth. Nice and fluffy. Then we're going to do a spoon test. Make sure that it's nice and smooth. Oh yeah, and it's got enough sugar. For me, it's perfect. Then we're going to put it in. Oops. Well, I gotta wash this real quick. Hold on. All right, now we're gonna make sure all that on the side is smooth. Everything looks great. Put it. We're just going to pour it right on into the bowl. Well, that crust just fell apart. Okay. Good. I did kind of make a mess going around this thing. Okay. I already had some strawberry jam that's been in my fridge, and I need to go ahead and use it. So I'm going to use strawberry as my topping. But you can use anything you want. If you have something put up that you particularly like, then just spread that right on out. Or you can buy cherry filling or blueberry filling. Pretty much any kind of, you could even do a lemon pie filling. Just whatever you like. That's it, folks. 5 minutes. A pie. Fit for a king. All you got, and then put it in the fridge for 2-3 hours, and it'll be ready to serve. That's it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.